How to fix a noisy table fan. A noisy table fan can be annoying and distracting. There are several possible causes and solutions for this problem. Here are some tips on how to fix a noisy table fan. One of the most common reasons for a noisy table fan is dust and debris build up on the blades and the cage. This can create friction and vibration, as well as affect the balance and alignment of the fan. To clean the fan, you need to turn it off and unplug it, then remove the cage and the blades by unscrewing the knobs. Use a damp cloth to wipe off the dust and dirt from the cage, the blades, and the motor. You can also use a vacuum cleaner or a compressed air can to remove the dust from hard-to-reach areas. After cleaning, reassemble the fan and test it. Another possible cause of a noisy table fan is worn out or dry bearings. The bearings are the parts that allow the fan to rotate smoothly and quietly. If the bearings are not lubricated properly, they can make grinding or squeaking noises. To lubricate the bearings, you need to remove the blades and the cage as described above, then locate the bearings on the shaft of the motor. Apply a few drops of household oil or machine oil to the bearings and spin the shaft by hand to distribute the oil. You can also use a spray lubricant or a grease gun to lubricate the bearings. After lubricating, reattach the blades and the cage and test the fan. A third possible cause of a noisy table fan is a bent or loose blade. A blade that is not in its proper shape or position can cause wobbling and rattling noises. To fix this, you need to remove the blades and the cage as described above, then inspect the blades for any signs of damage or deformation. If the blade is bent, you can try to straighten it by hand or by using pliers. If the blade is loose, you can try to tighten it by screwing the knob more firmly. You can also replace the blade with a new one if it is beyond repair. After fixing or replacing the blade, reattach the cage and test the fan.